miss it. He'll have to do that one on his own. All right. So does everybody finish reading this lesson all the way through? Yeah. Thank you, Asher. Did you finish reading it too? I do want you guys to do that little project where it's make your own constellation, but you don't have to put it in a box. I was thinking of an easier way to do it. And all you need to do is get a flashlight and get a piece of paper that's a little bigger than what the flashlight is. I mean, try to get as big as flashlight as you possibly can. And you can poke holes in that piece of paper and then put it over the front of the flashlight with like a rubber band and then shine it on your wall. And it's the same thing. I thought that would be cool. So see if you can come up with a constellation design and see if your parents or your brothers and sisters can tell what it is. Yes, Asher.
Reading while eating bacon.
Reading while eating bacon. That's the best way to eat bacon. Just read while you're doing it. Allison, I lost your face. Can you still hear me? William, put your face back on.
I can still hear you.
I guess.
Why is everybody's face
the internet dropped you a little bit. Boys,
I can still hear you.
Have me call your mamas now. Turn your faces back on and you stop it.
I did not do that.
You did not do that. You did. All right.
The internet did it.
Let's do the crossword puzzle. Let's do it.
No!
Yes. Let's do it together.
Finally, we get a good one.
I know, really, this is a decent size one. But now you got to admit, there's a lot of information in this chapter. Did you already do it, Zay? Oh, that's exactly. I haven't even done it yet. That's why I said let's do it together.
Let's do it together.
Do it together. Yes, Sash.
My mom used to fill in this because it's not very good.
Okay.
I don't have my crossword puzzle.
Okay. So don't worry about filling in the crossword puzzle. Just take these words and write them beside the definition on this page. And then if you want to go back in and fill in the actual puzzle part, you can. But that's all I have.
But the crossword is on Thursday.
You froze.
Okay. Well, that's because you guys have already read it. We're ahead of schedule.
Miss Creedle.
Is the test going to be on like Monday?
I don't have the crossword.
Can mommy go print it?
No.
Why?
Next.
I think it's printing, but I don't know. I have
go check.
These two things.
Copy work and the review questions.
Are we gonna do?
I don't have the...
All right, so let's do the review questions then. Because Liam doesn't have the crossword yet. So let's do the review questions.
What if I don't have the review questions?
Wait, hold on. It might be in the printer.
I'm just kidding. There's so many questions.
I got it. I
Nice.
got it.
I've done like 3 already.
Okay. Well, now
It's great. I
I'm
got the crossword puzzle.
okay. All right. All right. Let's just do the crossword puzzle. It's easier. All right. Number 4 across. Billions of stars arranged together to form a single shape. Who knows what that is? Reagan, go.
A galaxy.
Does everybody agree? Shake your head yes or shake your head no. I got majority saying yes. All right, galaxy. Okay. Yes, Sasha.
No.
Oh, you want to
I'll
answer
do-
the next one? Okay. A type of science that tells us how certain parts of the universe can age at different rates. What is that?
Astrology.
Does everybody agree? Y'all are the one that read this. Y'all need to tell me. Yes, he is right. Tell your brother I said thank you, Sasha. All right. The brightest star in the night sky found in the constellation Canis Minor, also called the dog star. Sasha?
Beetlejuice.
Huh?
Beetlejuice.
Was that Beetlejuice?
Yes.
I thought it was the
What was the second one?
astrology.
Or it's Sirius. Beetlejuice, I think is Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice is found in the constellation Orion.
This one.
So it's Sirius. It's super giant.
Miss Creedle,
Yeah,
astrology doesn't fit.
astrology doesn't fit. Okay, hold on. Let me get the answer key.
They don't know the answer, so I'm telling them.
This is what happens when I don't go ahead of you guys and write the answers down. Ah. Okay. So here we go. What was that? 4 across?
That's 10 across.
Oh, 10 across. It's relativity is the answer.
What was it, Miss Creedle?
Relativity, which is second column, last word. So number 11, the brightest star in the night sky is Sirius. Which is the very first word in the first column. All right, number 14 across, a small,
How's it-
huh? Was somebody have a question?
Wait, what number are we on?
14. 14 across. A small astern that looks like a small ladle or spoon with a handle. part of Ursa Minor. The star Polaris is in it. What is that called?
Little Dipper.
Little Dipper. Okay.
Little Dipper doesn't fit in 14.
Yes, it does. You have to skip a space in between the words.
What's number 11 across?
Cirrus. When you've got 2 words as an answer, remember skip a space.
We're on 14, right?
Huh?
Oh. Is it across or is it down?
Across. Okay. 15 across. The Big Dipper is located in this constellation. Its name means Big Bear. Sasha, you hush. Let somebody else get a chance. Who knows what that one is? Come on, go back in your book and look then. Hold on, Sasha, if nobody else can answer it. Asher, give it a shot.
Is it big?
No. What constellation is the Big Dipper in? Thank you, Finn. Ursa Major. Ursa Major.
15, right?
Correct. 15 across.
Is Ursa Minor?
Major. Big Dipper, major. Little Dipper, minor. That's how you remember those, okay? All right. 17 across. Yes, Callie?
What's number 14?
Little Dipper. Little Dipper. Okay, 17 across. What we call a star that is very large and bright, such as the star named Betelgeuse. What kind of star is that? Ben?
Super giant.
Super giant, all one word. All right, number 18, another name for Polaris, visible in the northern hemisphere, around which all other stars appear to rotate. Zay, go.
North Star.
North Star, very good. All right. Number 1 down. You ready? The galaxy in which our solar system is located. Reagan.
Milky Way.
Milky Way, that's right. Number 2 down. A group of stars to form a distinct pattern and is given a name. Each of these stars' pattern is used for navigation to help scientists locate heavenly bodies and other things in the sky. Who knows that one? Zay, or I should say Asher.
Constellation?
Yes, constellation. Okay. Number 3 down. The name of this North Star used for navigation throughout most of history because it does not move in the night sky. It's found in the constellation Ursa Minor and in the Little Dipper. What star is that, Reagan?
Polaris.
Very good, Polaris.
Miss Cradle,
Yes,
what's number 15 and 17 across?
15 across is Ursa Major. And 17 across is Supergiant. Okay. Good to go? All right. Number 5 down. The large asterism that looks like a ladle or spoon with a long handle. It's made up of 7 brightest stars inside the constellation Ursa Major. Reagan.
Big Dipper.
Big Dipper. Okay. Number 6 down. Stars that do not burn with a consistent brightness or energy. Sasha.
Variable stars.
Variable stars.
Variable.
Yep.
I'm your new teacher.
Man, it's time for the mailman that my dogs are going crazy. Okay. Number 7 across. A small constellation containing the star Polaris, which means little bear. The Little Dipper is located in this constellation. Finn.
Ursa Minor.
Ursa Minor. Very good. Okay, Callie, yes, ma'am.
What's number 3 down?
Polaris. Polaris. It's the very last word in the 3rd column. Okay. Number 8, the distance that light travels in 1 solar year. Allison.
Light year.
Gosh, I called on Allison.
That's me.
No, it's not you.
It's fine.
Yes, light year. Okay, number 9. The false religion in which people put their faith in the stars, believing that stars' patterns can tell them the future and other things about life. Go ahead, Sasha.
Astrology.
That is astrology. Her clothes are in that white basket at the foot of, or at my closet. I haven't washed her other clothes. Okay, Finn, number 12, the brightest supergiant star located in the constellation Orion. The star is not the brightest in the night sky, but is larger than the entire solar system, is
Beetlejuice.
Betelgeuse. Okay. Allison, number 13, the constellation called the Hunter, representing a man holding a shield or a bow. Some people feel like it's a bow, not a shield.
What number?
13.
Iron. I can't say it.
Orion.
Yeah, that's what.
Orion. Yeah. Shh.
I know what it's called.
Junior. Hut. Hush. Now hush.
Roof, roof, roof. Just Cradle.
I got dogs barking over here. I got the hamster chewing on his water bottle over here. I got too much noise.
Miss Cradle.
Yes.
I know what that star should be named.
What?
Orion Auto Parts.
You're so funny. All right, number 14, the imaginary line that represents the distance north or south from one is from the equator. What is that line called, Allison?
Latitude.
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Spell it right, Miss Creedle. All right. Last one, number 16, a set of stars that form a shape that is easy to recognize but is not formally a constellation. Reagan.
Hold on, I need to find it.
The last word.
Where is it? Thing? Oh, I don't know how to. Yes.
Asterism, yeah. Very good. Very good. Okay. It's getting pretty close to our time. Why don't we go ahead and jump on again tomorrow? And what we'll do is we'll check the review questions. I'll give you guys time to do the review questions.
Wait, do we have to do that book today and then crossword today?
No,
Questions today.
no, you don't have to do the lap book. Since we're a little ahead, you can do that after tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll just get on for a few minutes and check the review questions, okay? We won't be on very long.
So we'll do cross.
Kelly.
So we do.
Hold on, Reagan. Hold on. Unmute yourself, babe.
We love you.
What's 6, 8? Oh, never mind. My dad said he'll help me with them.
Okay.
Jesus.
Yeah, what did you do to your face?
Few questions right now.
Yeah, you got a
So
scratch
we're
right
doing
there under your
vocabulary
eye.
crossword and
I don't really know.
questions today.
We're nameless.
Whose name? Oh,
Zay.
actor. Zay.
Miss Crystal, I want to do your review questions right now.
No, I want to give everybody a chance to answer them on their own, and then we'll check them tomorrow morning.
No.
Okay.
It won't be but just a few minutes, and then we'll get off. Okay? I won't keep you long.
Okay. Just
All right? I know you guys like sleeping a little late on Thursdays and Fridays, but just go ahead and do the review questions and do your copy work, and then tomorrow after we get off, you can do your lap book.
At what time tomorrow?
Right at 9 o'clock. We'll get on right at, or do you want me to push it later to 9:30?
9:30.
9:30.
No, let's
8 o'clock.
Huh?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock?
No.
No, I can't do it that early.
No.
7 then.
Oh my gosh.
Hey,
No.
don't write that word, Sasha.
5:30.
Shut off. No. Just because you get up with the crack of dawn doesn't mean the rest of us do.
I do.
I sleep my hardest at 5:30. I am dead to the world at 5:30.
I wake up.
All right, so tomorrow, do your review questions this afternoon, and then tomorrow we'll check them real quick. Just a few-
Okay.
Okay. Bye. Peace out. Peace out, Trouts.